So for today's video, I will be showing you where the cotton is coming from. So, ta-da! This is coming from this plant. This is not coming from the tree. Yes, from this plant. So as you can see, this is the field of cotton. But where's the cotton? Of course, there is no cotton yet because they are just starting to give flowers, and then they will start to give buds, and then from that buds, you will see the cotton is sprouting from inside. So let's go and find the cotton field.
Here in Turkey, you can find these cotton gardens or cotton farm here in Adana. Sometimes Adana is called the White City because of the large production of cotton here.
And now I am here in a cotton field or in a cotton garden after seeing the flower of the cotton. So this is it. So as you can see, it will give the flower like this first, and then after the flower, it will become a ball like this, and inside this ball, the cotton is inside, and then after that, it will sprout and it will give this cotton. So my God, it is my first time seeing a cotton in real life. I mean, from the plant. I will touch it. Oh my gosh, yeah. This is real cotton. Oh my goodness, yeah. And it has, what are these things? Ah, it has seeds. Wow, it's amazing. So maybe I think it is bring it in the factory first. Oh my God, this is real cotton. Wow. It has seeds inside. Maybe these seeds, you will plant the seeds, and then after that they will become like this. OM! Wow, it's so amazing! In Philippines, di ba, we have that tree, a big tree, which is giving cotton. I don't think if that's a real cotton. Pero di ba, in Philippines, we can see that tree. And then I thought talaga, that's the tree which is giving cotton. The cotton is coming from this kind of plants, not from the tree. Wow! It's so amazing! Wow, my first time getting a cotton from the plant itself. Oh my goodness. Wow, so it will be look like this after getting this cotton. Wow.
India is the world's largest producer of cotton. The United States has been the largest exporter for many years. What is a cotton? So, cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a ball. So, the ball is the protective case of the cotton around the seeds of the cotton plants of genus Gossypium in the mallow family Malvaceae. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. Under natural conditions, the cotton balls will increase the dispersal of the seed. So, what is Gossypium? Gossypium is a genus of flowering plants in the tribe Gossypiae of the mallow family, from which cotton is harvested. It is a native to tropical and subtropical regions of the Old and New Worlds. There are about 50 Gossypium species, making it largest genus in the tribe of Gossypiae.
Guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you get some information about these cotton plants, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Bye!